Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mikale, and today I'll be showing you guys my updated silk press routine. Well, I did a silk press tutorial a while ago and I have a whole new routine now pretty much. I like to show you guys my new routine. I have like pretty much all new products except for like the flat iron that I use. I'm probably never going to get rid of that, and a couple other products that I'm also not going to get rid of. We have like pretty much all new products, and I wanted to show you guys how it worked for my hair. So if you want to see my updated silk press routine, then keep watching. So before I start washing my hair, well, putting in my shampoo and stuff like that, I like to just revert my hair, like really get my hair saturated to the point that I get as much curls back as possible. So I'm just like really like, I spend like maybe like 3 minutes doing this just to make sure that I get my curls back and my hair is like fully saturated and ready to be washed. To shampoo my hair, I'm using the TRESemme Silky and Smooth shampoo. And I really like to just work that all over my hair. I work in sections while washing my hair. And I like to get like my scalp like really clean. I scrub my scalp and then I go in with my scalp scrubber to make sure I really get all that dirt and build up off of my scalp before putting in my conditioner. To condition my hair, I'm using the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And I put that in my scalp and work it all the way down to the ends of my hair. You'll see me detangle some sections but leave the rest, such as this one. I didn't detangle this one because I didn't really see it as necessary. But I really just like put it up and then I'll move on to the next section. So the front of my hair I actually do detangle because it gets like knotted a lot faster. So I just comb through that section with my wide tooth comb. I don't let this conditioner sit on my hair because I'm going to use the Nexxus hair mask for my hair. This worked very well. This is my first time trying it. If you don't get anything else from this video, make sure you get the Nexxus Humectress hair mask. It works so good. Makes your hair super soft, very moisturized, very lightweight. It's just an amazing product. Like, I was not expecting it. Like, it really went way beyond my expectations, and I really put a lot on the ends of my hair because the ends of my hair need a lot more moisture to make sure it does not break. So I comb through my hair just to make sure that the product gets like all over my hair, and then I twist it and I'll like move on to the next section. I let this sit in my hair, but I didn't let the Aussie Miracle Moist sit in my hair, and I let this stay for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. The instructions said 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't want to like leave it in any longer than that, and honestly you don't need it for that long because it softens and moisturizes your hair in such a short period of time. I was very surprised and I love it a lot, and I suggest everyone try it. It works really good for my hair. And then here I am just like putting it up under my shower cap just to let it sit for a couple of minutes. So now I'm moving on to blow drying, and I'm going to use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. It's a leave-in conditioner and it works as a heat protectant and it helps your hair to not get as frizzy. So I really like these products. This is one of the ones I said I'm not going to get rid of. As well as the Chi Silk Infusion, which is a silk reconstructing complex. I only use a little bit of this because it's very thick and very concentrated. Then I use the Olaplex No.7 bonding oil. I suggest using this before blow drying your hair because it leaves your hair with a really nice shine to it in comparison to when you use it like after you blow dry or after you flat iron. And it also serves as a heat protectant. And these are my results after blow drying my hair. As you can see, like really shiny and sleek. And now I'm just sectioning my hair off into 2 sections to prepare to flat iron it. So when I straighten my hair, I really like to start at the back of my hair. For no particular reason, I just start at the back all the time. And then I'll do one slow pass through my hair, but before that I like to get my roots twice. For some reason I did 2 passes on this, but typically I only do 1 pass. So I just like tap my roots 1 or 2 times and then I'll go through the rest of my hair. And I use my flat iron at 410 degrees. Sometimes I use it at 420, but I use it at 410 today. And I just do the same thing, but I get thicker sections as I go up closer until I get to the front of my hair, which you guys will see. But I just do the same thing, like I do 1 pass over my roots and then a 2nd pass, and then I'll do 1 slow pass, like a full pass through the rest of my hair. So when I approach the top of my hair, I like to work in smaller sections just to make sure the top of my hair is flat, because I do not like when the top of my hair looks really bulky and like thick at the top. So I use smaller sections in comparison to like towards like the back of my hair. And I just do the same exact thing where I pass over the roots twice and I use the chase method throughout the rest of my hair. Sometimes I feel as though I don't get certain portions of like my roots well enough, so I'll go back over them again. But if you don't want to put too much heat on your hair, then you can go ahead and skip this step. So now I'm at like the very top of my hair, and I'm just repeating the same thing where I use thinner sections just to make sure my hair gets as flat as possible at the top. So I'm just tapping my roots once again, and then I use the chase method once again all throughout the rest of my hair. And I just do 1 slow pass, you guys. 1 pass is enough to straighten your hair, and I don't suggest like doing more than that at home, especially when you're working over 400 degrees, because I don't want anyone burning their hair. And here's one side of my hair soaked out and then the other just blow dried. I went and finished the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'm using the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. You only need a little bit of this because it's very concentrated. My hairstylist actually gave me a small bottle of this, and I went and bought my own after it finished. This is really good at protecting against humidity if you live in an area where the humidity is always high. So this will help your hair maintain longer. And then I use my Olaplex No.7 again just to add more shine to my hair. And this is how I got these nice silky flowy results. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video. Please make sure you comment your favorite hair care products for me to try out, because I love trying new products and I love new suggestions as well. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more videos like this from me. Bye!